Hi, I'm Teryn and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and live content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. So I'm excited to be trying out a braid out on my curl cut. I've not done a braid out in a really long time. So I'm gonna start off by parting my hair with this comb that came out of one of those packs. So this is just how I want my hair to be parted. And I'm doing this on freshly washed hair. My hair is actually starting to dry, but I brought my spray bottle of water over with me just to re-wet the hair. So I'm just gonna kind of part this into one big section and just clip this out of the way. I'm not going to be super particular about my parting. If you've been on my channel, you know that I'm not. I'm going to try to, make it a little bit more neat. And then I'm just going to clip this top section out of the way. I think I'm going to try to do medium-sized sections just so that I can get through this braid out rather quickly. I'm just going to spritz my hair with my water. I'm going to be using the Dew Mousse Depth Texture Foam. I've used this in my twist out videos and I've used this on my channel before. I love this product line. I've been using it for years now, and it's also approved by my hairstylist, and it's also approved by a lot of natural hair and curl specialists. I'm using my Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush to detangle my hair even more. I detangled it in the shower. I've had this brush for a while, but this is my first time using it on this channel. It's actually my first time using it in general, but I love the color, and I feel like this is an updated design. Like the handle is different. So if you've had Felicia Leatherwood detangler brushes before and you haven't purchased a new one, the design of the brush is a little bit different. Okay. So of course, to do the braid, gonna split your hair into 3 sections and that's some braid. And I've seen where some people twist a little bit at the top and then go into the braid, but for this video, I'm just gonna do a full braid. And I see it looks like a little less smooth at the ends, so I'm just gonna take this out, brush it some more. And my hair is not all the same length, especially in this section, so you'll see some of the hair is sticking out. It's harder to do the sections in my hair where my hair is cut. I'm doing smaller sections in the areas where my hair is shorter for my curl cuts. That would be like the bottom half of my hair. My hair on top is a lot longer. And if you don't know, that was done to kind of even out my hair so I didn't have that mullet type of look. Okay, so I wet my hair with water, detangle it, and then apply a pump of the Dew Texture Foam. And I like to apply it to wet hair because it really works into the hair. And because it works into the hair so well, it provides a really good foundation for the braid out. So as you can see, it's easier for me to braid the upper portions of my hair because my hair is longer on top. So it's a lot easier to braid versus on the lower half of my hair. And also it's a lot easier to see. So I'm probably just gonna do 2 more sections of this and call it a day. So part it there. I'm gonna clip this away. Even if you detangled while washing your hair, it's really good to go back and detangle while you're doing your style, just because your hair can kind of tangle as you part it into sections, and it also allows your hair to be more defined when doing the braid out, the twist out, etc. Just when you don't have those tangles, and then when you're braiding or twisting your hair, if you don't detangle it, it'll just be a twisted, mangled section of tangles, and you don't want that. So again, I'm going in with the Mousse Death Texture foam. I love this foam, and I'm not even really doing like a full pump. Sometimes I will apply a little bit more mousse, because as you can see, you can really see it in my hair. And so then I just split my hair into 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, and then I just start the braid, twisting 1 over each section while moving the middle one over, and you just keep moving the middle one to the side as you work your way down the braid. If you need to, you can go out and smooth the sections. Some of my sections will not be smoothed down the braid just because my hair is at different lengths intentionally because of the haircuts. And I'm not super focused on getting the roots of my hair super tight. I do like a puffy look. It's super humid, so honestly, it's not going to be the most defined look either way, just because as I step outside, it's going to puff up anyway. But if you want to, you can kind of clip your hair down to make it more smooth. A lot of people start off with like a little flat twist, but sometimes I don't like to do that just because I feel like it makes me a little bit more prone to tangling when I take it down. And you just have to be extra careful with making sure that you remove those twists at the top when you do your hair. So there you have it. I got all my hair. It's parted how I want my hair to settle once I finish drying it. I am going to sit underneath the dryer for this. I feel like this looks pretty good. Sitting under the dryer will also help your hair be more defined and really set the style. And it will also help with the puffier roots. That's another reason why I wasn't super pressed about doing the flat twist on the top. My braid outs usually aren't the neatest. They're just convenient for me. Very basic, very simple. If you want, again, you can kind of clip your hair down in order to have a smoother finish at the root if you want. I'm gonna head over to the dryer and I'll check in once I'm ready to take these braids down. I dried my braids using my headed dryer yesterday, and it's now the next day, and I'm going to take these braids down. I'm gonna start off with the back and work my way forward. And I just like to go and kind of separate the braid as I take it down. There, so it's pretty defined, you know. So I just start taking the braid out from the bottom, from the end, and just separate the braid. So this is my braid out taken down. I like the look that it's giving. I really like how when I do more of these manipulated styles that my hair, you know, keeps the shape and it just provides like a little bit more fullness than when I do my initial wash and go. I like how when I do these styles, the braid outs, the twist out, the being too knot out, that it provides me with more body than when I do my wash day on day 1 and day 2. Like the first few days of it is very defined and more sleek. So if you're looking for styles that have more body, I would definitely look into braid outs, twist outs, and bantu knot outs versus just, you know, waiting for your wash and go to expand. So I'm just going through my hair and kind of splitting up the braids that were taken down just to give it more body. I like the look of this. Of course, as I mentioned in other videos, I live in a very hot and humid climate. I can try to get all the definition that I want, but once I step outside, it's gonna be over with. It's just that time of the year, so I'm not expecting my styles to be super defined. I think this stretch style is more of a stretch style, will allow me to kind of have some delay when it comes to the humidity and heat taking over with my hair, so that will be nice. But I do like the look. I'm gonna keep playing around with this style. I think the next time I do it, I will probably add even more water to my hair. I know I added a lot of water while I was doing this style, but I think just adding more water helps. But I really do like the outcome of this braid out. I think it looks really cute. I think it goes well with my haircut. I love how it gives me more of the angle as well as volume with my haircut. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what hairstyle you want me to try next. As always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.